In this video, we're going to take a deeper look at Mercury and astrology and human design and how this energy shapes communication, learning, and expression. Mercury represents what a person is here to learn, communicate, and share. It reflects how people think, how they process information, and how they express their ideas to others. This is the energy behind communication. It shows what people naturally talk about and what they feel drawn to teach or explain. The placement of Mercury can bring confidence in how people think and communicate. It highlights the area of life where their voice becomes clearer and more developed. Mercury also plays a strong role in self-expression. It influences how people interact with others and how they share their perspective in social environments. This energy shapes the way people connect through words, ideas, and understanding. In human design, the gates connected to Mercury reflect what a person is here to communicate. It shows the themes they will return to again and again when sharing their voice. Mercury can also influence behavior in social interactions. It reflects how people respond, how they listen, and how they engage in conversation. The quality of communication often develops over time. As a person grows, their ability to express themselves becomes more refined and aligned. Mercury is especially important for those who teach and share knowledge. It reflects how information is understood and how it passes on to others. The more people understand their Mercury, the more they can recognize how they are meant to communicate and what they are here to share.